Komanda wa borithi kaunti-ini ya Kiambu Muchangi augite rori ino irainukagia aruti a wira wa miako wa kambuni ya Muchaina igeria ria ndereba wa rori ria gukira mbere ya mugithi ukinyite rikiringa ihiga.
Wale watu wa gari tunawashautia wasimame juu train inapita. So mtu hawakusikia. Dere akapitisha miguu mbili za gari. Alafu sasa za nyuma gari kakosa kuguru.
We had an incident involving a train and a lorry. This is a lorry belonging to the Chinese construction company, which trying to close at the railway crossing. To us, it seems the driver underestimated the speed of the oncoming train.
Amwe aria marakuitwo nimarageraririe kurugira dirisha-ini no watano matinahonoka.
The lorry collided with the train, and some of the passengers who were inside that lorry, they trying to jump. So in that process, they were crushed by the train. Already we have 5 fatalities. Those are the families. Those are the people who have lost life, and we are very sorry for that.
The driver of the train alikuwa amehut, so like eventually alijaribu yake yote because the hooting was so like terrible in a way. So when alikuwa amefika hapo the gari, what happened, gari kazima like nikailizima tuko upande wetu.
Minaere ni marahonokire gikuciarira kuria riu marathie na mbere kuhonia nguraro thibitari-ini itiganite kaunti-ini ya Kiambu.
If it's a motorist, when he sees a train is just about to reach within the railway area, let them not approach, because you can see this was a very unfortunate incident.
Aramana kafara eno tondu hakuye kurika na kundu kumwe ni iragitumiro ni ngari mekire mikakati na science ya kuonania kuria kwina mathina makiria muno kuria ngari ya mwaki irahutania na andu.
Mubunge wa gicigo giki Simon King'ara nyorotete mwene kandarathi uria uhetwo wira wa kwaramia barabara ya Eastern Bypass akimukirira ni kwaga kwarira mitaratara maiganu ya kugacirithia ugitiri kihunguro-ini.
Korwo mekirite andu akonagiriria matereba rira ngari ya mwaki iroka na ni uguo ngwicia niguo kwagiriire tondu korwo ni haima mundu na gitamba agitune kana ona kindu gia kuonania ati ngari ya mwaki ni iroka urio ndingiukire gukira barabara na tutigia na thina uria twagia naguo muthenya wa muthe. Na
ciumia ithatu hituku andu atatu ni meriga gute mioyo yao thutha wa kumomokirwo ni nyumba mita 300 kuma haria mutino uyu urahanikeire. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Mubi Washege.